Hello again, this is Miss Lourdes, and today we will be making a folded book. So let's begin. For this project, you will need a piece of paper and some scissors. The first thing you're going to do is fold your paper in the hamburger style. Then you will be folding your paper hot dog style. Now unfold your paper, and we are going to fold the edge of the paper to the middle line. And we're going to be repeating that for the other edge as well. Now you're going to be folding it hamburger style again. We're going to be cutting a line down this line right here, only to the middle. Unfold it and you should only have that one cut in the middle. Now we can fold this into a book. So fold it hot dog style again, and then fold it in like this. And there you have an 8-page book. Now to create something in your book, you can number the pages to know where you will write or draw, and then unfold your book to start. So next I will just show you a speed draw on how I did my book. The neat thing about this is that when you're done, you can copy it flat on the printer just like this, and then fold your copies so you can give those copies to your friends. So that's it for now. Hope you learned something new. See you next time.